How's it going, guys? This morning I was going to work on this nunchuck for the Nintendo Wii. Give y'all a little idea what we're looking at. The solder points on the right here, right there, right there, them three right there, are for your analog control stick. And what happens is they apply too much force from them, and it just pops the solder loose from the board, and you just have to heat them up and resolder them. I got me a little solder right here. Just heat them up a little bit. Hard to get it in here where y'all can see what I'm doing. I can see what I'm doing. And there we go, guys. Detach it off the clip. And there's your stick. Now the stick itself is just held on by, of course, you see them two little screw holes there, and that's where your little tab goes on to. You just take the two little screws out of the bottom, and then take these two little screws out here on the top, pull the little plastic cap off. It doesn't have no screw or nothing, just slips on and off, and just do what I did. Resolder the tops, and it'll be working like a champ. It's about the 6th one I've done. But this is the first time I've done my daughter-in-law's. She's normally really gentle with them, but you know, everybody has their moments. Well, guys, hope you enjoyed. Peace out from Texas.